Have you ever felt that someone was manipulating or attempting to control your thoughts? Dark psychology tactics are pervasive, whether we acknowledge them or not. These powerful and often subtle tools are designed to influence or even control individuals. But don't worry. I will unveil the most common dark psychology tactics today, along with effective ways to protect yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to identify manipulation and confidently maintain control over your own mind. Dark psychology examines how individuals use tactics such as manipulation, mind control, and deception to achieve their objectives. While some may employ these techniques ethically, such as for positive influence, others can misuse them to exploit vulnerabilities and exert control over others. In this episode, we will explore 5 common dark psychology tactics, explain how they work, and discuss ways to protect yourself from them. The first tactic is emotional manipulation, which involves using your emotions to influence your decisions. This can include exploiting feelings of guilt, shame, or fear to gain control. Common examples of emotional manipulation include guilt tripping, gaslighting, and pity plays. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Number 1, guilt tripping. The manipulator makes you feel guilty for something you didn't do or can't control. Example, a friend says, "You never care about me," if you're unable to help them out once. Number 2, gaslighting. The manipulator distorts reality to make you question your sanity. Example, they might say, "I never said that," when you clearly remember them saying it, causing you to doubt your memory. Number 3, pity plays. The manipulator presents themselves as a helpless victim to create a sense of obligation for you to help or support them. Example, a coworker frequently shares stories about how difficult their life is, subtly pressuring you to take on their work. Identify emotional triggers. Recognize when someone is pushing your emotional buttons. Take a moment to reflect on whether your reaction is influenced by their behavior. Set boundaries. Clearly communicate when someone's behavior crosses a line. For instance, you might say, "I don't appreciate it when you make me feel guilty about my choices." Document interactions. When dealing with gaslighting, it's helpful to keep a record of conversations to refer back to. This practice strengthens your memory and can reveal patterns of manipulation. Types of deception: outright lies, providing completely false information to manipulate a situation. Lies of omission, withholding vital information, leaving you uninformed. Distorted truths, combining facts with falsehoods to create confusion. Practical solutions: look for inconsistencies. Pay attention to their body language, tone of voice, and any changes in their story over time. Ask probing questions. If something seems off, ask for specific details to see if their story holds up. Manipulators often reveal inconsistencies when challenged. Trust your instincts. Your gut feelings are usually correct. If something feels wrong, take a step back before making any decisions based on their information. One of the oldest manipulation tricks is using guilt and shame. Manipulators often exploit these emotions to control your actions, making you feel like a bad person for not complying with their desires. How it works. Example, a family member might say, "If you really loved me, you would do this," pressuring you to act out of guilt. Another example, a manager might say, "We're like family here, and family wouldn't let each other down," making you feel guilty about working overtime without extra pay. Practical solutions: recognize manipulative phrases. Pay attention to phrases such as "if you loved me" or "you should," that try to control your actions. Establish self-worth. Remind yourself that you don't need to prove your value by doing what someone else wants. Practice saying no confidently, knowing it's okay to set boundaries. Shift the focus. When someone throws guilt your way, redirect the focus back to the situation. For example, you can say, "I understand that you're upset, but my decision stands." Manipulators often use the silent treatment and emotional withdrawal as tools to control others. By withdrawing affection or communication, they create an imbalance that leaves you feeling uneasy and desperate for their approval. How it works. Silent treatment. They stop communicating, knowing you'll be compelled to make things right. Emotional withdrawal. They behave in a distant or disinterested manner, making you feel insecure or uncertain about the relationship. Practical solutions. Don't chase approval. Understand that their silence is a tactic and not a genuine indication of their feelings. Maintain your calm. Instead of reacting emotionally, remain calm and avoid being drawn into their game. Remind yourself that their behavior is a tactic, not a reflection of your worth. Open the conversation. If you feel comfortable, address the issue directly by saying, "I feel like you've been distant. Is there something we need to discuss?" Another concerning tactic involves using rewards and punishments to manipulate others. Manipulators offer or withhold rewards based on how well you adhere to their wishes. Examples: praise withdrawal cycle. They praise you when you comply and then withdraw affection when you disagree. Token rewards. They provide small incentives to encourage specific behaviors, knowing you'll continue to seek their approval. Practical solutions. Recognize conditional affection. Be aware that if someone's approval hinges solely on your compliance, it constitutes manipulation. Self-validate. Practice self-affirmation, and remind yourself that you don't need external validation to feel valued. Challenge the behavior. If someone consistently uses rewards to manipulate you, clearly communicate your boundaries and monitor for any changes in their behavior. In conclusion, dark psychology tactics, such as emotional manipulation, deception, guilt, shame, the silent treatment, and conditional rewards can be powerful tools when misused. However, with awareness and self-confidence, you can recognize these tactics and protect yourself from them. Always trust your instincts, establish clear boundaries, and most importantly, remember your self-worth. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe for more insights into psychology, and leave a comment about a dark psychology tactic you've encountered.